Myself Shivagi Sharma from Government Girls High School, Seoul, in front of you. Today I will discuss about millets and its benefits. First of all, I would like to give introduction of millets. Millets refer to a number of small seeds, annual grasses cultivated primarily on marginal land in dry areas in temperate, subtropical and tropical regions. India is the largest producer of the millet in the world for accounting 20% of the global production and 80% of the Asia's production. Some of the most common millets found in India are ragi, sorghum, little millet, bajra, etc. With the aim to create the awareness and increase production and consumption of millets, the United Nations at the behest of the Government of India declared 2023 the International Year of Millets. Types of millets. There are several types of millets which are beneficial for human health, like finger millet. It is also known as ragi. It has protein content of 7.3 grams, iron 3.9 milligrams, and fiber content of 3.6 grams, and calcium content is 344 milligrams. It has great antioxidant properties like phytochemicals which makes it easily digestible. Second one is sorghum. It is also known as jowar. It has protein content of 10 grams, carbohydrates 69 grams, fats 3.3 grams, and fiber content of 6.45 grams. Sorghum is considered superior in comparison to rice and wheat. It is reported that sorghum wax is rich in a particular type of nutrient called polycansanol, which is very helpful in reducing the level of cholesterol. Third one is pearl millet. It is also known as bajra. It is protein content of 11.6 grams, calcium 42 milligrams, iron 8 milligrams, and carbohydrate is 65.5 grams. It helps in losing weight and maintain good digestion. The fourth one is foxtail millet. It has protein content of 12.3 grams, carbohydrates 6.09 grams, fats 4.3 grams. The grains of foxtail millets are relatively coarse than other cereals, which makes its digestibility up to 79%, and the remaining portion is undigestible part and hence contain high level of fiber. Millets are beneficial for sustainable planet because they are climate resilient. Millets can grow in adverse conditions such as drought, waterlogging, and heat. They can also survive in poor soil and are resistant to diseases and pests. Water efficient. Millets require 70 to 80% less water than other crops like rice and wheat. Low input. Millets need fewer inputs like water and fertilizer to grow. They also require less dependence on synthetic pesticides. Millets have earned the reputation of being nutricereals as they provide most of the nutrients which are required for normal functioning of the human body. Also, they are naturally gluten free, making them a great option for the people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Despite the many benefits, millets have been largely neglected in the modern daily diet and a food system partly due to the shift on other daily diet. The International Year of Millets seeks to change this by promoting millets as a nutritional and sustainable food choice for all. Millets being climate resilient and can battle drought and are less input intensive with good yields. Recent search in demanding for the millets cultivation is promoting farmers to take up millets cultivation, contribute to sustainable agriculture, augmenting income of farmers, protecting environment and improving the health and nutritional status of the country. Growing millets can come as a blessing introduced for smallholding farmers. At last, I would like to say one thing. Good nutrition is one of the best key for health and life. Thank you and have a wonderful day.